Welcome, Vanakkam, Namaskar. This polar bear, Dhruvakaradi, Dhruv Balu, what is it doing now? Part 3 now. With live example, we can see what it is doing now. What will be the safe strategy now for all the indexes, ETFs and funds, sectoral funds mentioned. You can see with live example, it will be very useful for you. You can protect your capital and rotate your capital also. So don't miss. See, on July 31st, you can see I have given a call. Wake up, bear, wake up, sleeping bear. It is coming. The prices are coming to the upper end of the channel. I have told in all the above indexes, ETFs, CPSE, auto, small cap, pharma funds. You can see that video also. 31st. Then what happened? You can see in just for example, this is the live example. This is a commodity index fund wherein you can see the channel inside the channel, upper end of the channel, the price broke out and again it came back. At that time, what happened? You can note the first actually, it is 1st August 10:15. So July 31st, I gave a call. So what happened? This is my personal holdings actually. I sold the commodity ETFs because it has broken above the channel and it was giving some sell signal, red candles you can see. So I sold my ETF. That example I will show you my ETFs. So from there now you can see it has come down almost to the bottom, very near. Not it has not touched the bottom of the channel, but very near it has came. See example, wake up polar that see this is you can see the date 1st August around 10 o'clock. Here you can see 1st August 10:15. So now you can understand sell 78 quantity at 97.44. This is very important. ETF value 97.44. Time and all you can see commodity ETF. It was in my holdings actually. Zerodha. So now you can see today 6th with date 8th month August 10:52. Timing now what is the ETF price 92.98 almost 93 you can keep. I sold at how much 97. So now it is 93, almost 4 rupees. Actually, if I have sold out in the peak, it would have been under 1 rupee plus. So almost 4 to 5 rupees you can consider. So now what happened? Market after I sold, it has come down almost to the bottom of the channel. So that's why I gave a call. Wake up, bear, wake up. You can see in July 31st. This is the importance of the channel trading. That's why I told the sleeping bear to wake up. How many of you listened and what exited at that level? Please comment if anybody did that. Now I am Ganesh Babu, civil engineer from Chennai. Welcome to my channel. Actually, my channel I'm changing investor options zone, purely supply and demand zone. You can contact in these phone numbers. Disclaimer: I'm not a SEBI registered share market consultant. This is purely based educational purpose video only, and you have to take a call based on your own analysis also. See now we can see polar bear. What is it doing? Actually, tawal the both actually. It is creeping now. Oh, हिंदी में क्या है पता नहीं. It is just creeping. You can see below it is water. Ice got frozen up. So if it walks due to its weight, polar bear, the ice will get broken down. It will fall inside the water. So how cleverly it is crawling down the body. एवरी कैसा वो ये कर रहा क्रिप कर रहा क्योंकि वो it will get broken down ice. So like that also our market, we retail investors have become like that. We have to be very safe. We should not put all our weight in a single stock or a single ETF. So we have to be very careful. We have to creep slowly. You have to do some safe strategy right now since market has corrected heavily. So we can see in this tip all the sectoral index where it is, whether it is wake up or sleep or what is the status we can see now. Once again, and first what it is CPSE, one by one we can see small cap. Now it is almost every due to severe correction. You can see this bottom of the yellow line. It has fallen down, and again it has come into the channel. So this is the line. At least it should sustain above this purple color line at least for one day. It should give a good close and good volume. It should in ETF if you go that and I will inform you volumes how to see. So it should close above this purple color line at least for one day with good volume and strong candle. Next we can see momentum index. Almost it broke down the momentum index at it broken down the bottom of the channel. You can see here, and again it has come into the channel. You can see the blue line. It's a reversal line actually. So reversal line you can see. So now you can consider a entry. The bear can enter now. it has to enter and then it has to go to the sleep because already it has come into the channel above the blue line in momentum index. So you can consider some entry here. Nifty auto index, it has broken down the channel and it is unable to cross the blue line, reversal line. As I told you, it crossed but again it came back. That is the importance of reversal line. It should go above and close above the blue line. Commodity, as I told you in that example, you can see this is the upper end of the channel. Then this one somewhat upper end of the channel. This is moving actually. Okay, and now it has come to the almost near to the bottom of the channel, but still unable. Yesterday I tried to cross, but today it has broken into the above the blue reversal line. So definitely bear can now what make an entry and go to sleep. CPSE. Actually, CPSE, it has broken above the channel, broken above the top of the channel. And again, you can see this is the power of the channel already. See, it went very much above, almost to all-time high. It went again, top of the end of the channel, it has touched and reversed back. Okay, so at least it's crossed this supply zone, red color supply zone. Then you can consider bear can make an entry. Pharma, as I told, it is above the middle of the channel. It tried to still unable to touch the top of end of the channel. Okay, so it can be okay if it comes to the middle of the channel, middle yellow, that green line, you can consider an entry, or you have to wait. If you already have holdings in pharma, you can wait till the upper end of the channel comes, or middle of the channel it comes and again bounces back. Pharma nothing on. Now I believe almost I have covered. Let us see 200. Yes. So now another important thing is there. Momentum auto, okay, on CPSE I covered. Another important thing is, what are all the ETFs? I suggest instead of going for mutual fund, you can go for ETFs. There are many ETFs, ICICI, Motilal Oswal. This you can see, auto ETF and all. Auto index, CPSE ETF, commodity ETF. Commodity, there's only one ETF from ICICI. And momentum, ABSL PSE, Aditya Birla PSE index ETF. This is also again MOM30, momentum index, auto BES. So health is pharma again you can see. These ETFs you can consider. ETFs intraday also can do, you can sell and buy. But mutual funds you cannot do intraday, only at the end of the day. One important thing to consider is in ETFs spread. See, you can see pharma BS 22.21 is asking rate, 22.22 is the selling rate. So there is just 1 paisa difference. But there are some funds, you can see 44, 46. Okay, 2, 3 paise. Okay, that is not a problem. But it should not be more than 10 or 12 paise. Some ETFs, they have more spread. So you can see almost 10 paisa momentum index and all, you can see 10 paisa spread is there. Maximum 4 to 5 paisa is okay, depending upon the rate of the ETF, price of the ETF. That is very important. Otherwise, you have to give more cost to purchase the ETF. You can see 24, 46, 2 paisa only auto ETF. So one important tip regarding Tulasi, that you can go study, it will save 1000 rupees. More than that, your kids will not get frequent cold, cough and fever. That is very important. Whether you save money or not, your children will be good. Do this without fail. It is my personal experience. As a father, you have to do. Then only you can save money. That money you can put to your children's SIP. Minimum 1000 rupees, I swear. Because I also did and saved this much. More than this actually. And being a civil engineer, this is a construction tip. If you want, you can listen. If you have doing a construction, or if anybody relatives, friends doing a construction, this is important tip. Water, very important. It should not contain chlorine content more above the specified limits. Even we cannot give drink this chloride content water. So similarly, buildings also require good water within limits. It should be chlorine content. Otherwise, your building will get spoiled after 2-3 years. Even you will not know what happened. Your steel, cement and all, you would have bought a very good steel, cement brands. But water, if it is having a more chloride content, finished. That's all. Even nobody will know. Then you have to spend lakhs to rectify that. It is very difficult also. Lot of cracks will develop, and it will be very, very lot of quality issues will get developed. So be careful. You have to ask for your builder or contractor whether you have tested the construction water. If so, give me the test certificate. Normally, it will be tested in the third party lab. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. What are building related quality doubts? As I told, these things you can contact in case you have any doubt in construction. So this is the end of the presentation, but I believe this will be a new beginning. So don't forget the bear to like a polar bear, it how it crept to avoid falling into the ice. Thank you.